are an open work permit holder, you can work anywhere you want because you're open permit. But you have to remember that this open work permit is only limited time. So ngayon, hanapin ninyo ang experience na pwedeng magbigay ng direct PR pathway para sa inyo, hindi conditional. Sabi ko nga lagi sa aking blog, express entry, PNP, vulnerable, whatever things like that, they are all they are all conditional eh. Hindi ka makaka-PR right away. But if you are looking for this, what you have right now as a nanny, that is not conditional. Makompleto mo lang yung 6 months, that's as per rule, you could be able to apply for PR and wait ka na lang hanggang sa lumabas yung result. Now, of course, hindi ka mag-a-apply ng PR kung alam mong hindi ka qualified, but you are qualified. Ngayon, second thing is that, kahit na gaining PR pathway or PR pathway, pwede ka doon. Because the reason is that nakapag-work ka doon sa Pilipinas ng, may experience ka, pero that's not what our basis is. Our basis is may caregiver training ka, and etong offer sa'yo, you're qualified to get into that PR application. Kasi nanny and caregiver is a PR application. Gaining or PR pathway yan. Kaya nga, it's a special work permit eh. Sa totoo lang, ito naka-line up itong nanny sa mga housekeeper kasi tier 4 and 5. Pero because this is a special work permit na mayroong PR pathway or PR program, hindi nila inaalis yan. So, you could be able to apply for that.
Iba pala yung mga naririnig namin.
Really? Ano naririnig nyo?
Hindi daw po pwedeng mag-apply ng PR pathway yung ngayong nanny daw po. Ang daming mga sabi-sabi.
Ewan ko, saan nila nakuha yung website na yan?
kaya nga may mga yoga Pilipino at saka hindi nila namin
At saka you have to remember, I'm licensed. Okay? So,
kaya
this is what I
practice.
This is my job full-time. Actually, more than full-time pa nga eh. So, so this is what I always do every day. This is my job every day. And so, kahit pagbalik-baliktarin mo man yung mundo, pagbalik-baliktarin man itapon yung buong rim ng coupon ban na nandun yung rule, I can pick that up one by one in yung talagang sunod-sunod na numbering. So, ganun yun. As what I've said, pwede kayong mag-apply ng PR. That's not true. Ang mga hindi pwede are the people who are tourist visa na mag-apply ng LMIA, caregiver nanny, na kahit kailan hindi nagkaroon ng work permit. Pero kung tourist visa holder ka ngayon, tapos you used to have work permit as student permit, pwede ka pa rin mag-LMIA, nanny caregiver, inside Canada process. Pero pag tourist visa ka na kahit kailan never na nagkaroon ng permit, na work permit or international student, hindi ka pwede, sabi sa rule, pag nag-LMIA ka nanny caregiver, ibabalik yung application. Pero, hindi naman ibinabalik. Yung iba, na-approvean pa rin. Kahit ganon. Di ba nakikita yun yung post ko? And then second thing is that, yes, wala nang caregiver at nanny right now sa mga PR application kasi naka-close. Mag-o-open itong March 31. Yun ang exact clarification nito.